In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your GoDaddy website after publishing. Whether you're looking to update your site with the latest info, or you simply want to give it a fresh new look, this guide is just what you need. Let's dive in and discover the easy steps to keep your website up to date and engaging for your visitors. Firstly, let's talk about why you might want to edit your website after it's been published. Maybe you noticed a typo that slipped through the cracks, or perhaps you've got a new service or product you're eager to showcase. Whatever the reason, the good news is that GoDaddy makes this process straightforward. The journey starts by visiting the GoDaddy website. Here you'll find the sign in button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, a gateway to accessing your account and subsequently your website editor. Once you're on the login page, it's time to enter your credentials. Type in the username and password you created when you first set up your GoDaddy account. It's important to enter this information accurately to avoid any login issues that might delay your website editing plans. After entering your details, click on the sign in button to proceed. You're now a step closer to accessing your website's backend, where all the magic happens. If you've got multiple products or services with GoDaddy, you'll typically land on a dashboard that showcases everything under your account. Next, you'll need to navigate to your website's editor. To do this, look for a link or an option that says website or something similar. This link is your portal to managing your published site. GoDaddy's user-friendly interface is designed to make this step intuitive, guiding you directly to your website's management area. Once you're in the website management section, scout for the Edit Website option. This button is your key to unlock the website editor, allowing you to make changes as you see fit. Remember, this is your creative space to update text, add new pages, insert images, or even overhaul the entire design if you wish. The control is in your hands. Upon clicking Edit Website, you'll be transported to the editor where your website's current layout and content are displayed, ready for any adjustments you might want to make. Here you can easily navigate through your site structure, selecting elements you want to alter. Whether you're tweaking the homepage, updating contact information, or adding a new blog post, the changes are made in real time, giving you an instant preview of how your site will look once the modifications are published. A key tip while editing: always keep your audience in mind. Whether it's a simple text update or a complete visual revamp, every modification should aim to enhance the user experience, making your site more attractive and functional for your visitors. After you've made all the desired changes, it's crucial to review your work. Navigate through your site in the editor view to ensure everything looks perfect and functions smoothly. Pay close attention to details, like the spelling of new text additions, the alignment of images, and the loading speed of new elements. Once you're satisfied with your edits, look for the Publish or Update button within the editor. This final step will push your changes live, updating your website for the world to see. It's a moment of triumph, but remember, publishing doesn't mean your work is done forever. Websites thrive on fresh content and regular updates to keep visitors engaged and returning. In conclusion, editing your GoDaddy website after publishing is a breeze with the right steps. From logging in to pushing updates live, each phase is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring even those new to website management can navigate the process with confidence. Remember, a well-maintained website reflects positively on you or your business, keeping your online presence vibrant and relevant. So, don't hesitate to dive in and make those edits, ensuring your site always showcases the best of what you have to offer. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to keep you moving smoothly on your digital journey.